everyone, welcome. Today I have something very interesting to show you. Guess what? I'm going to be making a no sugar wheat bread without using an oven and without kneading. Now let's get to it. I have my ingredients here. This is my flour. I'm using wheat flour, and this wheat has been the grain has been washed, dried and grinded to this form. And of course, after grinding, I decided not to sieve it because I want to get the whole nutrients embedded in the whole grain. So here is my baking powder. This is a baking powder. You can get it from any supermarket around you. I have my instant dry yeast. I have 8 teaspoons here. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup. This is my measuring cup. This is 1 cup, my measuring cup. 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil. Any cooking oil of your choice can be used. And of course, if you don't have maybe butter or margarine, you can just use your cooking oil. 1 cup. And this is honey. For those of you running away from sugar, you don't like sugar, I have good news for you. You can use your honey, but be sure to get an original honey, so that in the middle of trying to run away from sugar, you don't get something worse than sugar in your honey. But trust me, this is an original honey. I got this from the farm, and I had to sieve it myself to get this. So let's move on to the preparation. Get my pot or just a bowl or something very deep. So to an empty container, you pour your So we're going to put the dry ingredients. So here is our salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is our baking powder. Yeast. Honey. And lastly, we're going to put 5 cups of water. I have my 5 cups of water measured in here already. You put it gradually. Ten cups of wheat and 5 cups of water in here. I'm going to leave this for about 1 hour to rise. So you're going to leave this in here. I'm going to cover it up. Wow, this is looking beautiful. Just make sure you mix properly. Wow, I like this. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. I'm going to leave this in here for 1 hour to rise. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to be using this to cover it. I'm sure this is something you can make from the ingredients you have at home. I just want to keep this warm a bit, so I'm going to add this towel, and then I'll cover it up. So this will be in here for about an hour. So we're going to come back to check it after 1 hour. Now it's time to check our dough. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see what we have in here. Let us see. Wow, it's rising. Wow, this is beautiful. This looks beautiful. This is beautiful. Now our dough has risen, and we have our baking pans here, and then we have greased with oil, with vegetable oil. So you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. The next thing is to transfer what we have in here into the pans. Wow, I like this. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let me just show you what we have in this first content. Look what we have here, and this is how we're going to leave it in our pot to bake for about 1 hour 40 minutes on low heat. So let's set this aside. I'm going to scrape this into this other pan later. So here we have our cooking pot, which is going to serve as our oven, and then I have this iron in here that will serve as the stand for the pan. So that's what we have. I'm going to place this just right here, allow it to sit. So here we are, the pot is already in this pot, and we have our baking pan seated. Cover it up and give it a low flame. Iron which we used. Allow this to bake for just make sure about 1 hour 40 minutes. Contact with the pot. So we're going to leave this in here for 1 hour 40 minutes under a low flame. fork or toothpick into it. Once it comes out clean, then you're after sure 1 hour 40 minutes of baking baked. You can see how clean it is under low flame. Once you put you